Hi, I'm Heather Rizzo, owner of Return to Balance Wellness Center, and I'm here today to give you some tips on how to live a happier, healthier life. I'm already noticing around me coughing and sneezing and hearing reports of stomach flu, some other viruses, yuck, yuck, yuck. So I thought that I would take some time to tell you some of the ways that I keep my immune system high and avoid colds and flus this time of the year. So, tip number 1, taking vitamin D. I take between 5,000 and 10,000. I use a vitamin D3 every single day this time of the year. If you're not comfortable with taking that level of vitamin D, you can go to your doctor and they will actually run a test to see where your vitamin D levels are, and you can kind of go from there. Another wonderful way to get vitamin D is to go outside. There's so many benefits to going outside, and one of them is that we get vitamin D from the sun. Also, this time of the year, we have less daylight, more nighttime. Some people get something called seasonal affective disorder. A lesser case would be known as the winter blues. The sun helps to release from our brain feel-good chemicals called serotonin, which makes us feel happy, which of course is wonderful. If you do go outside, here comes tip number 2. Cover your neck. I can understand this time of the year, sometimes it's beautiful out, you don't want to be all wrapped up in your winter gear already. At the very least, cover your neck. Wear something like a scarf or something like what I have on, some sort of turtleneck. And the reason for this is that cold and wind can enter your body right here, where your neck meets your head, and that can cause you to get sick. So, give this a try. Tip number 1, vitamin D3. Tip number 2, cover your neck. If you do get sick. Tip number 3, please, please, please cough into your elbow, not your hands, or a Kleenex. If you do cough into your hands or Kleenex, wash them immediately, because otherwise you're touching things and you're going to get the rest of us all sick. So please, cough into your elbow. But maybe you won't even have to worry about that, because you'll have tried tip number 1, the vitamin D, and tip number 2, covering your neck. And maybe you won't even have a cold or flu season this year. How fantastic would that be? If you enjoyed this tip and would like to know more about how to live a happier, healthier life, click right here, right-hand side screen, that subscribe button. That's all you need to do. Also, you can go to my website and learn more. Also read the transcript below. Until next time, I hope you have a happier, healthier day. Bye-bye.